So today, we'll work on the custom theme and custom font. To do that, click the cog menu, Site Branding. Under Themes, click New Theme, Add Color. Add the color of your branding. You can take the preview of how it will look like. If happy, click Next. Enter the name of your theme. Then click Save. To use this theme and apply in our sites, open the Hub site. Click cog menu, change the look, theme. You will see the custom theme that we have created. Choose theme and click Save. You should see the theme has been applied. If you navigate to other sites, you just need to hard refresh them. Then it will be applied. At the moment, we are missing the light background we applied in some sections. We need to add them, so we need to update the custom theme. To update the theme, click the cog menu, Site Branding, choose your custom theme, Edit, click New Combination, then add new color. Click Add. Click Next and Save. You need to choose the theme again. So back in the Hub site, click Change the Look, Theme, choose your new theme and click Save. Now you should see the light background is applied. Let me check the HR site as well. If you don't see them, again do the hard refresh. And you should see them. Now let's add the custom font. First, we need to add the font in the brand center, and it can be set up by Microsoft 365 Global Admin only. Later, site owners or delegated brand managers with proper permissions can add or manage font. So click App Launcher, Admin, click Show All, Settings, Org Settings, and Brand Center. Copy the link of this Brand Center app and open them in a new tab. Click Brand Fonts. You can upload your fonts over here, but I have already added 2 fonts. So go back to the Hub site, click cog menu, Site Branding, click Font Packages, then click Add New Font Package, choose display font. You can choose any one. Then choose the content font. Click next. Then choose the title's font and style, headline font and style. Likewise, you can do the same for the body and interactive font. Click next. Enter the font name and click save. To apply the font in our site, open the hub site, click cog menu, change the look, click font. You should see your custom font over here. Choose them and click save. The font is now applied to our site. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll add custom CSS and JS using App Customizer. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.